Hi guys, всем привет, добро пожаловать, welcome to my channel. I'm back today with another amazing dish that you're gonna love. It's Russian sour cream cherry pie. This pie is to die for. It's really delicious. It tastes like custody filling, vanilla custody filling with sour cherries and short crust pastry. It's really actually simple to make. It doesn't take that long apart from the baking time, and it's so amazing. I love this pie so much. I grew up on it and it tastes incredible. So hopefully you're gonna make this as well. And yeah guys, if you want to get access to all my recipes, I have left the links how to get access to all my recipes below this video. You can become a member today and get access to all my video recipes. And obviously I upload new videos all the time, so you'll never run out of ideas. Now let's get baking. In a food processor, add your sugar, your flour together with almond flour, salt, and your cold, uncubed and unsalted butter. You then want to blitz everything together, literally for a few seconds, until the mixture starts to come together into a nice crumble like so. Then you're gonna add egg and blitz everything again for a few seconds until you see that the mixture started to form into a thick sort of ball and paste. So I've been mixing this for 10 seconds or so, just like this. Your mixture should be nice and sticky. I'm using a 20 centimeter, which is around 9-inch cake ring. And I'm adding my dough inside the ring, spreading it all around. You can use any other pie crust or pans that you have where you can use the dough and spread it around. If you're not using a glove, make sure your hand is wet or a little bit sticky. And what you want to do, you want to just evenly distribute the mixture all around the edges and the sides as evenly as you can. You want to make sure that your crust is nice and even. Once you've done that, you're going to put your cake crust into your freezer for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to make our delicious filling. So I'm going to add my egg yolks together with sugar and vanilla extract. Then add your corn starch and your sour cream. And you want to mix everything together with a whisk until the mixture becomes nice and creamy. And it completely has no lumps, so keep mixing it until it's nice and smooth, just like so. Once your dough has rested in the freezer, you want to add your frozen cherries inside. I like to use a lot of cherries, and then you want to add your sour cream custard mixture inside. I like to use my finger just to make sure they're nice and even. The cherries are everywhere around the pie, and it's ready to be baked. I baked this for about 80 to 90 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. So it took a very long time, but it might be quicker in your oven. So just keep checking. You want to make sure that the sides of the pastry are browned and the mixture inside is just slightly wobbly. It should look just like this. Leave it to cool down completely for about 1 hour or so, if not longer. You want to make sure your pie is nice and cold before taking it out of the mold. Then you want to place your pie into the fridge for another 3 to 4 hours. And once it's set, it's ready to dig in. It's quite a delicious pie, cherry sour cream pie. And the hardest part is to wait for it to be ready. You can add some icing sugar to decorate and then really enjoy it. It's absolutely amazing. You've got the crunchy pastry, sour cream custard, and that delicious sour cherry filling. And I love how all the cherries like pop in your mouth. They're so amazing and yummy. I really hope you try this pie. Thank you so much.